Yes, walaikum assalam. Abdul Basit here, right?
Yes, Abdul Basit here.
Okay, so this side Talha Shahzad, and today I'll be conducting your interview for the senior tech developer position. So, first of all, just give me the brief introduction about yourself and walk me through the professional journey as a tech developer.
Okay, I'm Abdul Basit. I'm basically from Mansehra, and I've started my tech career in 2020, uh, where I have started it in React.js as a web development internship in my city. Then afterwards, I've worked in different full stack technologies like Next.js, Express.js, React.js, and MongoDB. Then afterwards, I've learned and worked a lot, quite a good amount in AWS and the deployment processes, CI/CD, uh, continuous integrations and deployments. So total I have almost 5 years of experience in the field, and uh, yeah, that's all from my side.
Okay, so like you have been proficient in front end and back end both, right?
Yes, I am proficient in both.
So, how large was the team you worked with, and what was your contribution in that?
Currently, I'm working in Dubai-based company, which was before it was in Islamabad, Pakistan, but later they shifted to Dubai on remote basis. I'm working with them. There are 15 people in my team, including project managers, QAs, and developers. And I've majorly worked on Corellar project. It's more of a like a Upwork business model project. It has a bidding platform, chat messages, support system, microservices like email microservices, uh, and Zoom meeting APIs, and a lot of things are there. Like you can create contracts, you can bid, you can create milestones, release milestones. There are payment methods including Stripe, and it had 10 to 12 payment methods because it is a global level product. So I've contributed in many of its modules, like creating user to user and support you to user chat system. You can escalate the chat to upper level of support, uh, and the highest level is super admin. You can start from level 1, level 2, and then there is level 3 super admin. That also added translation system in the chat in real time. If someone texts you in language other than English, you can translate that message in real time. And also integrated Zoom marketplace APIs to create the recorded meetings during that chat, and you can join the meeting. And if you end a meeting, I implemented Zoom webhook that basically triggers when a meeting ends, and a meeting link with password is shared in that chat. Also, if you create a contract, you can there is a message notification with that contract link. If you accept the contract, just like Upwork, it's 90 to 95% like works like Upwork. Also worked on support system, and created a email microservice, deployed it on separate backend. That microservices service runs 24/7, checks the client's professional email using IMAP technology to check the email continuously. If there is any email on clients that support professional email, it creates an automatic ticket and assigns it to level 2 support on our Corridor system, and that ticket shows up in the admin panel of that project. So Yes, I've worked quietly on large modules of that project.
Oh, that's perfect. It's like basically the descriptive form of the project you have been created. So, for the leadership quality, have you ever lead a team of developers, or you are just working as an employee?
Sure, I have one associate under me here and one lead that he has like quite a lot experience, like 8 9 years. I have 5 years experience, so I've lead one of my junior developer. I uh, uh, go through his code when he creates a pull request on GitHub. I review its code, and I can approve the code, and then that code is being merged in the main branch or
Oh,
prod.
that's appreciative by your side. So, Abdul Basit, do let me know that which technology stack you are being strongest in, and what's your proficiency in each.
Um, I'm strong in Mun stack and Next.js. Like on the front end, I have worked quite a lot in Next.js and React.js, and on the backend side, I've worked on Express.js with MySQL as well as MongoDB.
Okay, like if a tech team will face any query or anything in the bug in the code, so like it will be proficient for you to resolve that, right?
Yes, I can debug it, and like I have some steps in mind to debug a system bug. So yes.
Okay, so have you ever worked with some system architectural design? Uh, I think so that you have already shared this thing with me with the project you have created, right?
Yes, yes. It was like from scratch we started it, nine
So,
months.
do you have any link which we can follow to access that project you have created?
Yes, it has two links, basically a staging environment and a live environment. I can share it.
Okay, just
Uh,
after the meeting and share that link in my WhatsApp chat so that our team will go through that.
sure, sure.
Okay, that's perfect. So, do let me know if you are reviewing someone's code. So, what are basically the three red flags you will notice first?
I notice if sometimes you need to add caching in the front end code, like if there is a task that could cause some performance issues. So I think we should add use memo, which is used for in React.js, used for performance. Or on the backend side, if I see expensive queries from database, like if there is no need of there is no need of two queries at that time, and the developer is using two queries or multiple queries to get the data. I simply add a comment on that code that you should use only one query to take that data from database, and I also add a small example code snippet using AI. I can help them with that. And if there's change some thing in schema of the database or models of the database, and that isn't required or is not being used, I simply ask them to remove that. Also, I ask them to remove console logs if they left any on the front end. That also causes a lot of like it's console logging everything. They developers usually leave a lot of console logs and commented code that causes to uh, the code to look bad. So I ask them to remove that, so there is clean code and I can understand it better.
Okay, so while leading the team, not every time your decisions have been agreed with the team. So, how do you handle the disagreements and the technical decisions with other team members? And like if you are working with some cross-functional team, so how do you will be collaborate with the non-technical stakeholders?
Um, uh, For that, I have been in client meetings. So, like if someone is not understanding, I can provide solution for that. And if they disagree, I can give them some pros and cons to resolve that.
Okay, okay, that's really nice to hear about that. So basically, Abdul Basit, this is the first phase of interview, which covers just a basic overview of your experience and everything. So the next phase of interview will consist of the technical task and problem solving sessions. So would you be comfortable with that?
Yes, sure. I
It
can be
will not be
comfortable.
conducted today, but maybe in the day or two, on Monday
Okay,
or Tuesday, maybe. So
sure.
I'll share the link of the meeting with you once it will be finalized with our head and the team. We will review your applications and your interview too. So just wait for the final call. And if you have any questions or anything related to anything, you can ask.
Okay, sure. I have some questions like, is it a service base? You are providing services, or I
Yes,
will be working?
basically the Digi Expo in Dubai is the like digital marketing agency, and we provide the various services to different clients, organizations, and SMEs here. So
Okay,
for that we have multiple domains and multiple team for that. So for the domain of technology, we are currently reviewing the applications to for a senior tech developer. So anything else if you want to ask, so you can.
okay, sure. So, are there any developers already in the team? Or
Currently we have developers working on React, and they are working on the technology stack, basically React and Next.js, I think so. Yes, so they are basically providing the front end designs and visuals websites to the clients. So I think so that you will be good in identifying the bugs and the queries they will face.
sure, sure. Yes, obviously, I
Okay,
am
so
confident.
I'm just wrapping this interview for now. So I just need two things from you.
Yeah.
Just share the link of the latest portfolio and the link of the website you have created. Plus, share the feedback of the interview in my WhatsApp chat.
Okay. I will do that. I will share. Uh, I will share a PDF file that has list of projects I've worked on,
Oh,
so
that's
you can.
perfect. That's perfect. Thank you
That
so
will
much.
have links and all. Okay.
Thank you so much for your time, Abdul Basid. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.